Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to new series of Arabic course. The book here is Al Qura or Al-Kitaab Al-Asaasee, and this series has book of 1 to 6, and we will start with book 1 inshallah. So over here it is written Ad-Darsul Awwal. Ad-Darsul Awwal. Ad-Dars means the lesson, and al-awwal means one. Okay, so this is the lesson number one. Okay, ad-darsul awwal, and the topic for the lesson one is hujratud dirasa. Okay, hujratud dirasa. Now this hujratu or this hujra means room. Okay, it means room, and ad-dirasa means the study or the class. So the final translation of this topic is the classroom. So with the context of the school or the class, the proper translation of hujratud dirasa means the classroom. And here it is alif, this is 1. So we can just say that this is the classroom part 1. Okay, this is part 1 of the topic hujratud dirasa. Hujra means room and ad-dirasa means the class. So here we have images, and below that the vocabulary is written in Arabic. So we will learn them one by one. Okay. So here first word is kurasa. Kurasa. Kurasa means notebook. Okay. It means notebook. So we can say this in two ways. Either we will pronounce it as kurasa, means notebook, or we can assume that there is tanween on top of ta. So it will become kurasatun, meaning a notebook. Okay, meaning a notebook. And we know that tanween means indefinite article a or an. Okay, so it could either mean a or it could mean an. So regarding this tanween, I have also covered up in my another series of Madina Arabic book 1. You can find the link for that series in the description box below. Okay, so let's continue. So we can either call it kurasa. So this round ta or this gold ta, we will assume that this is a ha. So instead of ta, we will assume it is just ha, and we will pronounce it as kurasa. Okay, so in casual way of speaking, in speech, we can just say kurasa, but the proper way of writing, be it in formal way, kurasatun will be correct. Okay, kurasatun meaning a notebook. Okay, a notebook in which we use pen to write something in the book, right? So a notebook, it is kurasa, or we will say kurasatun. And the next image is kitabun. Okay, kitabun. Assuming there is tanween on top, we can either say kitab, meaning book, or we can say kitabun, meaning a book. Okay, kurasatun, and the second word is kitabun. Kurasatun meaning a notebook, and the next is kitabun meaning a book. Okay, and the statement here, the final statement is kurasatun wa kitabun. Kurasatun wa kitabun. So kurasatun, we know it means a notebook, and wa means and. Okay, wa means and kitabun means a book. Okay, kurasatun wa kitabun, or simply kurasa wa kitab. Kurasa wa kitab, it will mean notebook and book. But if we say kurasatun wa kitabun, it will mean a notebook, and a book. Okay. So moving on to the next word. Here it is qalamun. Okay. Qalamun. Assuming there is tanween here. Qalamun means a pen. Okay. A pen. It could also mean pencil. Generally, qalam means a general writing instrument. Okay. But majorly, we call it qalamun as a pen. Okay. So qalamun means a pen. And the next word is mistarah. Okay. Mistarah means scale. But we will assume there is tanween here. Mistarahtun meaning a scale. Okay. Qalamun means a pen. Mistarahtun means a scale. Okay. Mistarahtun. Mistaratun, a scale. And the statement here is qalamun wa mistaratun. Qalamun wa mistaratun. Okay. A pen wa means and mistaratun. And mistaratun means a scale. Okay. Now moving on to the next. Maq'ad. Okay. Maq'ad. Maq'ad means chair or a seat. Okay, basically a place where a person can sit. So that is maq'ad. And we will pronounce it as maq'adun. Okay, maq'adun meaning a chair or a seat. Basically, it's a seat. Maq'adun. Maq'adun meaning a seat. Next word is maktabun. Maktabun. Maktabun means a desk. Okay. Maktabun means a desk. So the first word here is maq'adun, a seat or a chair. We'll go with a seat. Okay. Then maktabun means a desk. And here the statement is maq'adun wa maktabun. Maq'adun wa maktabun. Maq'adun mean a seat and wa means and maktabun means a desk. And last one here is mudarrisun. Mudarrisun. Mudarrisun means a teacher. Okay. Mudarrisun means a teacher. The next is saburatun. Saburatun. Or simply saburah, but we'll say saburatun. Okay. Saburatun. Saburatun means a writing board. Okay. It means a writing board. It could be either blackboard, whiteboard, or green board, any type of writing board which we see in the classroom. So that is known as saburatun. Saburatun. Okay. Saburatun means a writing board. And here the statement is mudarrisun wa saburatun. Mudarrisun wa saburatun. Okay. Mudarrisun means a teacher, wa means and saburatun means a writing board. Okay, now let's revise the things that we have covered in this page. So the topic is Hujratud Dirasa. Okay, Hujratud Dirasa, meaning the classroom. Okay, this is the lesson 1, part A. Hujratud Dirasa. Here it is written Kurrasatun. Kurrasatun meaning a notebook. The next word is Kitabun meaning a book. And the statement here is Kurrasatun wa kitabun. Kurrasatun wa kitabun meaning a notebook wa means and kitabun means a book. A notebook and a book. Okay? A notebook and a book. Kurrasatun wa kitabun. So what is this over here? Here it is kurrasatun wa kitabun. Kurrasatun wa kitabun. Next is qalamun. Qalamun meaning a pen, and the other word is mistaratun. Mistaratun meaning a scale. Okay, this. And the final, here it is written qalamun wa mistaratun. Qalamun wa mistaratun meaning a pen and a scale. Okay, a pen and a scale. Qalamun meaning a pen, wa means and mistaratun meaning a scale. Qalamun wa mistaratun, a pen and a scale. Next, maq'adun meaning a chair or a seat. Maq'adun, a chair or a seat. The next word is maktabun meaning a desk. And final here of combining these two, it is written maq'adun wa maktabun. Maq'adun wa maktabun meaning a seat and a desk. Okay. And last here is mudarrisun. Mudarrisun meaning a teacher. And the next word is saburatun meaning a writing board. And here final it is written mudarrisun wa saburatun. Mudarrisun wa saburatun meaning a teacher and a writing board. Okay, a teacher and a writing board. So that's it for today's session. We'll continue with the next session in the next video. Until then, do subscribe to the channel and push on the bell notification button so whenever I upload any new video, you will be notified. Until then, Jazakallah khair and Assalamualaikum wa rahmatullah.